let's see guys. Hope to see you someday again.
Picture again.
Let's take a picture.
Dear Padre Diwan, in grateful recognition of your time, insight, and expertise shared as our speaker during the Cultivating Leadership, Raising Others to Rise, held on February 2026. Your contribution has inspired and equipped our participants, and we sincerely appreciate your support and dedication.
Feelings or emotion na nabibuild up in a way parang hindi na maganda yung pagiging pagtanaw natin sa leader natin. Which is, next naman is yung dito din yung pumapasok yung unpopular decision natin. Kasi there are a lots of decision making in leadership position. Siyempre tayo yung magde-decide, magde-take ng risk.
Patingin. Si Flash. Okay, si Dick Grayson, siya ang kanang kamay ni Panaman. Dick Grayson. Alright? The boy one. Para napipilitan sila. Wet dreams. Okay, yan ang maganda. Pares kayo mali. Excuse. Para gusto mong maging sa wife mo, sabi mo, let's osculate later. Okay? So, the name Pateros, literally, means what? Pateros. Fathers or duck raisers? Pateros. Answer please. Ano bang score? Duck racers for Team Tagilid. Ang score ay 4-9. Duck racers. Both are correct. Duck racers. Alright? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Coca-Cola for Team Tagilid. Ayan! Yan ang maganda, di ba? Nagkakatalo talaga. So, ang main ingredient na, secret ingredient na 7X ay Coca-Cola. A score for Team Tag-Init. Alright. Nandito na. Alright, next. What was the most profitable company in 1991 and 1992? Sa Philippines, Sa Philippines yan.
Ayun na yung Pastor Edgar.